Hello, my name is Louise and I'm one of the dance leaders for Ballet Cymru 3. Ballet Cymru 3 is open to children of all abilities and we work very inclusively looking at ballet technique and creative ways of moving.
You do still have the instructions that you need to do, but you can express your feelings more, like not at the other dance class where like you've got to do this and do that, but this one you can be creative. We're practicing a performance at the moment that we're going to do at the riverfront. The teachers are really nice here because they don't just stand there and watch you do the dance, and they actually do it with you, and then you can learn a lot from them.
And then a big yawn with our arms. I'm going to do a big, what's this one called again?
Plie.
Plie, nice. Plie. I am Billy and I'm one of the dance leaders in the Ballet Cymru 3. In the sessions we don't follow a specific syllabus or prescribed technique, we just look at ballet generally and we try to include as much creative dance as possible. Well, our explosive move up, so it can be a jump or it could be our arms. So it could be like, you know when we do our walk off at the end and we do our hop.
I like most of the fact we get to have a variant of play and learning. So we sometimes do games like going across the room in like different style. Sometimes like leaps, spins, jumps.
This dance class is absolutely amazing. I love it here. It makes me so happy and forget all about my stress.
All of the practitioners as part of Ballet Cymru's outreach programme have a wealth of experience from delivering in schools to children of all abilities across Wales, and we let this inform our sessions every week.
I'm going to teach you a little bit. So we'll face the front and it's going to be a bit of our ballet in there. So can we stand in our first positions? And then we're going to do you remember what this one's called?
A tondu.
Tondu. We're going to do a tondu, but we're going to do it like we're sleeping. So this is when we start going a bit into our daydream. So like a pillow. Practitioners are all professionally trained or ex-dancers and so take this vast wealth of knowledge from stage work and training and pass that on to our young dancers. The sessions take place in our purpose-built studios, which the company use, so it's got sprung floors, everything you'd expect a professional company to use. This is an amazing experience for them, rubbing shoulders with professionals and young trainee dancers, and can show them aspirations of where they could take it if they wanted.
Poppy enjoys dancing, but she needs something that was not a pressurised environment, so this environment for her is really fun, low pressure, and so even though we're still learning the ballet techniques, it's in a very light-hearted environment. It just feels like a family. You're so welcome when you come in, they're so pleased to see you, they know Poppy, and they really passionately care about what they do and they care about her, so that it just feels like a safe place.
The hope of Ballet Cymru 3 is that it provides pathways to dancers who otherwise wouldn't be able to access ballet and give them the opportunity to engage with our programmes such as the Ballet Cymru Associates, and later on in their career if they choose to join the pre-professional programme or the company, they've got that first initial step into the dance world.
I really recommend you joining. It's lots of fun and you get to meet lots of nice people and you get to also learn and also have fun.